Almond chocolate oats bites. Ingredients: 2 and 1/4 cups oats, quick or old-fashioned, uncooked. 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 1/4 cup mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. ½ cup non-fat milk. 2 tablespoons honey. 4 tablespoons chopped almonds. Directions: place 1/4 cup of oats in food processor or blender, process until finely ground. Place ground oats, remaining 2 cups oats, cocoa powder, chopped almonds and chocolate chips in large bowl, stir to combine. In small bowl, whisk together milk and honey until well blended. Add to oats mixture, stir to combine completely. Shape into 24, about 1-inch diameter, balls. Refrigerate, covered until chilled. Store leftovers in refrigerator, covered.